Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to design a newsletter with MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, you can find a link for a free trial in the description. For those already using it, just log in and follow along with us. First, click on Campaign. Next, go to the right-hand side where you'll see the option to Create Campaign. On this page, you can choose the type of campaign you want to create. After selecting your campaign type, you'll need to add the campaign details. Keep in mind that this is only possible if your email is already verified. Then click Next, Content. Here you'll move on to the email design section. You can choose from one of the available design options. You'll have three options for designing your newsletter. Select any elements you want to include in your design and customize them as needed. After completing the editing, click on Done Editing and you're all set. I also want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for checking out and watching our videos.